Welcome to this extraordinary video documenting an incredible project, the construction of a luxury underground private swimming pool completed in just 149 days. The project began with careful preparation and planning. The team first chose an ideal secluded location in a lush, untouched jungle area, ensuring both privacy and harmony with nature. They cleared dense vegetation and carefully leveled the ground manually, preparing the site for excavation. Every branch, rock, and root was removed with precision, laying a firm foundation for the ambitious underground structure they envisioned. Hidden away in a small private jungle in California, this ambitious project was brought to life by a dedicated team originally from Thailand and now residing in the United States. Over the course of nearly 5 months, this remarkable construction was entirely handcrafted by 3 skilled builders, with one talented cameraman capturing each meticulous stage of this incredible journey. The next phase was the construction of the structure itself. Brick by brick, the walls and ceilings took shape. The bricks were handmade on site, and the mortar was expertly mixed from locally sourced materials. Each brick was carefully placed, ensuring perfect alignment and stability. The builders diligently worked to form a strong, insulated structure, creating an environment that would naturally regulate temperature and ensure comfort all year round. With the infrastructure solidly in place, attention turned to the aesthetics and interior comforts of the underground space. The builders applied natural finishes to the walls, floors and ceilings, carefully choosing colors and textures that complemented the environment and provided an inviting atmosphere. They also integrated beautifully handcrafted decorative elements and ambient lighting, enhancing the luxurious feel of this unique subterranean home. Following the excavation, the builders meticulously stabilized the structure. To ensure safety and durability, they reinforced the walls of the newly created underground space with natural yet robust support materials. Traditional building techniques were employed to ensure that the structure could safely withstand the pressures of the surrounding earth. Day by day, the shape and solidity of the underground space began to emerge, reflecting the careful planning and expert craftsmanship of the team. Once the preparation phase was complete, the builders embarked on one of the most physically demanding stages of the project, excavation. Equipped only with the basic hand tools, shovels, picks, and baskets, they tirelessly dug into the earth, gradually revealing the massive dimensions planned for this underground haven. The excavation took considerable time and strength, removing enormous amounts of soil entirely by hand, showcasing the team's determination and unparalleled dedication. With the infrastructure solidly in place, attention turned to the aesthetics and interior comforts of the underground space. The builders applied natural finishes to the walls, floors and ceilings, carefully choosing colors and textures that complemented the environment and provided an inviting atmosphere. They also integrated beautifully handcrafted decorative elements and ambient lighting, enhancing the luxurious feel of this unique subterranean home. With the main structure securely in place, the team focused their attention on constructing the heart of this extraordinary project, the private swimming pool. The builders created a solid concrete basin, carefully waterproofed with precision to avoid the leaks. Layer by layer, the pool was completed with painstaking attention to detail, from smooth finishes to carefully constructed drainage and filtration systems designed to maintain pristine water conditions. After successfully completing the pool, the team moved on to installing essential water management systems, including advanced handmade filtration and drainage components. Every pipe and filtration element was precisely crafted and placed to ensure that the pool would provide clean, fresh water, creating a luxurious and comfortable swimming experience. Finally, after 149 days of unwavering dedication and tireless effort, it was time to fill the pool with water. The excitement was palpable as the water slowly filled the beautifully constructed basin. Extensive tests were performed, verifying the structure's strength, waterproofing integrity, and the efficiency of the filtration system. All tests passed flawlessly, marking the successful completion of this ambitious project. This underground luxury private pool stands as a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and skilled craftsmanship. It's an ideal space for relaxation, refreshment, and joyful gatherings during hot summer days. This project isn't merely a pool, it's a spectacular achievement and an extraordinary vision turned into reality.